Good morning, YouTube, and welcome to another edition of the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. I am indeed your host, The Lion Unleashed, and since it has indeed been well over a month since we brought you guys our last video update on Easley Island and what's going on with Lead Farmer 73 and Lady Lead over there at Easley Island, we thought we would take this opportunity this morning to bring you guys out here with us and show you exactly what has happened on Easley Island during the last 30 plus days. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, let's indeed take a walk over here to Easley Island. It's a brisk Wednesday morning here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Fall has definitely arrived, finally, here in Grow Zone 8B. And here is what Easley Island looks like this morning. Take a look at this guy. Easley Island, right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel, Grow Zone 8B. And although the weather has changed, we are getting some cool temperatures here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. Things are indeed looking well over here at Easley Island. You got a close-up of Lady Lead right here, doing her thing. You guys remember that first video when we first got Lady Lead? If not, I'm going to give you a flashback right here. And that is what Lady Lead was looking like when we first planted her here in this spot. And we'll take this moment to give you guys another flashback at what Lead Farmer 73 was looking like when we first planted him here in this area. And this is what Lead Farmer 73 looks like now. Indeed, Lead Farmer 73, well over 7 feet tall at this point. And I gotta stand way back, Lead Farmer, to get all the view in the frame this morning, brother. Yeah, well over 7 feet tall. Lady Lead is every bit of 3 feet tall over there. Our daffodils are looking fantastic. And we can't be more pleased by what we see here at Easley Island at this point in the growth season. Indeed, YouTube, Easley Island, right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel, Grow Zone 8B, here in Tifton, Georgia. If you are indeed currently watching this video and you're not already subscribed to Lead Farmer 73, take this moment to click on the link at the top of this video, jump over to his page, and see what he's growing there in his garden on Easley Island. And if you are indeed watching this video and you're not currently already subscribed to the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel, take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family if you don't mind. Thanks. We really, really, really would appreciate it. Yeah. Easley Island. Grow Zone 8B. Right here in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
early morning, way before the sunrise. Deep in my feelings, and I had you, lady, on my mind. Ain't got to tell me, cause I know true love is hard to find. But I miss your voice, I haven't heard it in a long time. I wonder where you are and got me wondering where you been. More than my lover, you're my queen and you're my best friend. I used to hear your heartbeat whisper to me in the wind. And now I'm praying for the day that I see you again. Wonder if you miss me, and I wonder if you feel my pain. And you being distant is enough to make me go insane. Every time I close my eyes, I smile because I see your face. And it makes me wish that I could wrap you up in my embrace. Said that you love me, but you disappear without a trace. You are my heart, my lion, there's no one can take your place. Please help me understand, I'm falling and I'm so confused. But I'm still a man and I'm about to let my heart be abused. I know the world moves on and sometimes people tend to change. But every day I and I'm hoping that you're alright.